How to change currency on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings and activity section, at the top you will see account center option. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the account center, simply scroll down and look for the Meta Pay option. And once you've found that, you can just tap on it to open your payment settings. Now here at the top you'll see two tabs. So from there you can just tap on manage tab, and from here you can just tap on payment method, or if you haven't add the payment method, then you can just tap on add payment method. And now here inside the payment section you can simply choose for the options like PayPal or credit or debit card. So here once you have done selecting it, at the payment settings you can simply scroll down and look for the currency and tap on it and select your preferred currency. Or if you don't find it, you can just enter your card number and the currency will be adjusted according to that card region as well. And that's it. That's how you can change currency on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.